It's your options guy here. Welcome back to another video. So today I want to show you guys what to do when one of the stocks that you're, especially if it's like your favorite stock, if it's going down, what you should be doing and how you can still be making money while it's going down. Before I get into that, let's take a quick look at my portfolio. So overall, today was a green day. My 1 year chart is above 100%. I'm trying to get to 150 by March because March is where I started and I want to get around 150%. Anyways, so let's get down here into the options. So as you can see here, I opened all these positions up today. I've closed some early ones that I had from yesterday. I closed those out and I opened up all these today. So the reason why I opened the puts, to start with the puts, was because I didn't expect PLTR to hit 2650. So 2650 was, it seems like it's a pretty good price or entry anyways. So yeah, what you should be doing is, if you see the stock going up, it's great to sell puts, because selling puts basically means you're bullish and you don't expect the price to hit that strike price. In this case is 2650. If it does hit that price, you better be prepared to actually buy shares, depending on how many contracts you sell, but buy shares at that price. So for me, in my case, I'm happy to buy it at 2650. And here we have the 2850 call that I also sold, because I want to make some money just in case if it goes down, just to hedge my position. If PLTR closes above 2850 or at 2850 by this expiration, then I'm happy selling it at 2850, because it's above my entry price, which is 2830. And lastly, these 21 calls that I bought, I actually bought them somewhere around here in this dip area, right around here is when I bought them, because I was like, whoa, there's already like a 4% drop, so we might as well buy some calls. And if it keeps going down, or if by tomorrow it's down even further, I'll probably buy more calls just to average down my calls, because I feel pretty bullish long term. So I don't buy calls that expire in a week or 2 weeks. I usually, if I do buy calls, which is very rarely, I buy them out further out. So as you can see here, I don't really like buying calls because it's kind of hard to get like good returns, unless if it skyrockets. So here my total return is only 8% for these 15 contracts that I have. However, if you see here, this one, I just opened it up and it's already 40% return. And on this one, it's already 58% return. So I'm going to close this one out in a second. But I want to show you guys real quick. So if you look at my overall options and my total return here, it's 32%, 2,700. So if I were to close everything out, that's how much I would make right now. So let's go ahead and close out the puts first. So let's go trade. Let's buy. So I'm buying back 20. And hopefully it goes through right away. There he goes. It's already done. So I got that one out of the way. I don't want to close out these calls right here, these 40 calls that I'm selling, because in case PLTR just drops either now or tomorrow, these calls will actually give me, there's still 1,800 in market value left. So total around $3,040, somewhere around there. So I don't want to close them out just in case that happens. And if the other thing happens, where if PLTR just goes above and beyond 2850, then I have these calls right here that I'm ready to sell in that scenario. So a good strategy to use is selling calls, selling puts when you can. It's better to be doing this when you think like a certain stock that you're playing with is kind of flatline, especially like right now. It's been, other than yesterday's like big run up, it's been kind of flatlining like throughout for a while. And I've actually just been selling calls and selling puts throughout like this whole section right here. Actually, even from here, I kind of started around here. So I've been making premium along the way. Anyway, so make sure you sell calls, sell puts when you can, when you think it's gonna be flatlining. If you think a certain action is gonna happen, especially if you think it's gonna rally up, definitely buy calls. However, buy calls with a longer expiration date because you don't want to like get destroyed by theta. You want to have that expiration date that's not too bad. So, for example, this one right here, my calls that I bought, look at the theta, it's like 0.02. That's like barely anything. So, and it has a high delta. So, for those that don't know what the Greeks mean, definitely look into options and like the basic understanding of options. Um, I'll try to make a video and go more in detail with the Greeks and buying calls and puts and all that stuff, just to really dumb it down and make it very simple for those of you that are interested in options. But most of the time, buying options is kind of risky, so selling options is a better way to go. Normally, when I sell options, even on the same day, I can already get like 25 to 30% or even more return in that day, especially by selling weeklies, which is what I do like every week. So selling weeklies is good, and you get a lot of premium, especially with PLTR. PLTR has pretty good premium for a stock that's really cheap compared to other ones like Tesla and other blue chip stocks. So yeah, this is my overall progress right now. I'm at 116. Just a couple days ago, I was under 100K. I was at 99 yesterday, actually. So if you like my content, please subscribe. That way you can keep following me and keep seeing what I do, the certain moves I play, and I'll even explain why I do certain moves. That way you guys are well informed, and then uh, I'm super transparent. I'll show my red days, my green days, and yeah, hopefully PLTR just goes up from here on out. I expect it to keep going up until definitely up until the January 26th catalyst where they have their event, but definitely going up until earnings. So yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See you guys in the next video.